To my food processor, I'm gonna add in a can of sliced peaches with the juice. Now I'm gonna season it with nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar. Of course, we gotta add some vanilla. And then to cut that sweetness, I'm adding in some lemon juice. I wanna give that a mix until it looks just like this. Oh, that looks perfect. Now, let's make the cake. I'm gonna start by adding in some cream cheese and some butter into my bowl. I gotta add in my sugar, and I'm gonna give this a mix until it's light and fluffy, just like this. Now, next, I'm gonna add in my eggs and the vanilla, and then I wanna give that a mix as well until it's nice and creamy. Now, the dry ingredients, a little bit of salt, baking powder, and then some flour until it's super thick. Thin it out a little bit with some heavy cream, and you're good to go. Look at how luscious that looks. Now, to bake it, we put our bundt pan down, then we spray it really well. I'm gonna start by adding in a little bit of the cake batter, and then I'm gonna layer in some of that delicious peach filling that you can see right here, all right? I'm just going to repeat the process over and over again until I'm about 3/4 of the way up to the top of the pan. Don't go past that or else you're gonna make a mess in your oven. 325 until it looks just like this. Shh, look at that. Oh, yes. Give that thing a slice. This is still warm, but I'm still gonna eat it. Look at how it bounces back on you. That's how you know you're in good territory. Now, all we gotta do is take a bite. Oh,